Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the topic of self-driving semi-trucks. In introduction, self-driving semi-trucks represent a groundbreaking innovation in the transportation area. This technology improves the is used in highways for long haul transportation efficient, safe. It reduces the labor charge, so it is economically friendly. Now we are going to discuss about the problem segment of this topic. Safety concerns. Ensuring the safe integration of autonomous semi-trucks into existing traffic. It means it is complicated in traffic, so it does not involve the safety concerns. So next is regulatory hurdles. Navigating through the complex web of regulations, policies for autonomous vehicles. So in India there are many rules and guidelines to follow for any vehicle approval, automation or driving vehicle. So it is another problem for regulatory hurdles. Next one is public acceptance. Bridging the gap between public perception and the reliability of self-driving trucks.
Target customers, freight and companies, businesses seeking to streamline their transportation operation and reduced cost, logistics providers, companies focused on optimizing delivery networks and supply chain efficiency, retail and e-commerce, organizations in need of reliable and cost-effective shipping solutions for their products.
I'm Karishma Krish. I'm here to explain key activities based on this topic. Technology development, testing and validation, partnership, market research. Technology development includes of continuous enhancement of AI, sensors and navigation system. Testing and validation includes of conducting rigorous tests to ensure safety, performance and reliability. Partnership includes of collaborating with technical firms, logistic partnership and the regulatory bodies. Market research includes of analyzes customer needs, industry needs and the commodity landscape. Next we are going to see about key resources. Key resources includes of advanced technology, skilled workshop, infrastructure. Advanced technology includes of state-of-the-art sensor, GPS, AI algorithms and the connecting solution. The skilled workshop includes of expert engineers, data scientists and the software developers driving innovation. Infrastructure includes of robots, data centers, vehicle maintenance facilities and the charging stations. Thank you.
Key partners, technology firms, providing crucial support in AI development and sensor systems. Logistics companies, collaborating to integrate autonomous trucks into supply chain operations. Regulatory bodies, working together to shape policies and regulations for autonomous transportations. Revenue streams, 5 million. Freight services, revenue potential from logistics and freight companies utilizing self-driving trucks. 8 million technology sales, income generated from licensing autonomous driving systems and related technology.
Talk about the cost structure and the channel for groundbreaking innovation into self-driving semi-trucks. First, we take the cost structure of the innovation, and research and development is about 15%, operation and maintenance is about 22%, and finally the regulation compliance is about 10%. The channel is about the industry and events, digital marketing.
Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the channels in semi-automatic trucks. In the industry events, participating in specialized trade shows and tech conference to showcase the technology to encourage the customers, many industrialists to buy the semi-automatic trucks. It was very useful in night transport, long haul transport. Next is digital marketing, creating targeted campaigns to engage key including players and stakeholders to encourage the customers to buy a semi-trucks using many social media like Facebook, Insta, through ads. Next is digital sales and partnership, building direct relationship with potential customers and strategic partners to encourage the semi-automatic production in industries. It is very helpful in long haul transportation, night driving. Many drivers are advising the related issues related to night driving without sleep. It leads to health issues Semi-automated trucks leads to long haul transportation in night mode, so it will encourage the driver to sleep in the night for 2 hours or 3 hours, and they can drive after 3 hours. They can drive for a long time transportation. That's all. Thank you.